Hey guys, welcome back to Manuel Pura. In today's video, we're going to be making a hair shampoo using the fragrance Crème Brûlée. This fragrance smells so good and the color of this shampoo is gorgeous. So if you guys want to find out how I make this shampoo, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's make a lovely hair shampoo. And I want to use a really fun color for this shampoo. So color we're going to be using will be Key West Blue from Mad Mike's. So I'm really excited to see what this shampoo looks like using this color. So let's start with our distilled water. We're making a 30 grams batch of this. So this distilled water, we need 60.35 grams. Okay, so we've got our distilled water, and then to our distilled water, we're going to add our SCI. So to our distilled water, we're going to add our SCI. Make sure you have gloves on when you're working with SCI because it can be very irritating to the skin. We're using this at 8%, so we need 2.4 grams for our 20 grams batch. And make sure when you're working with SCI as well, you have a face mask on. Okay, so for our SCI to dissolve in water, we need to place this in a water bath because it's only heat that is going to dissolve our SCI. Okay guys, so our SCI has dissolved in our water solution. We're going to go in and add in our surfactant. So for this, we're using decaglucoside at 12%, so we need 3.6 grams. Add cocoa beating at 6 grams, and we're using this at 20%. So now what we're going to do, we're going to mix this together, and you can see that it starts to thicken up straight away, and the water almost changes color slightly as well, from that clear distilled water to almost kind of cloudy. So we're going to add a few drops of citric acid and mix, and the color is almost back to what it was. I will leave this for now and I'll check the pH later. Let's check the temperature, see what this looks like. So it's still sitting at 48 degrees. We need this to sit below 40 for us to be able to add our cool down phase ingredients, which is panthenol, silk amino acid, preservative, and our fragrance. Okay, it's been cooling down for a little bit now, and it's still sitting at 45 degrees. So we need to wait, and this have to drop below 40. So let's start by adding our fragrance, and I want this to be a really gorgeous smell when it comes to the shampoo. So we're using Crème Brûlée fragrance oil for this shampoo. So we need 0.15 grams, and a little bit of this goes a long way. It smells so good. And then we're also going to go in and add our color. Like I said, we're using Key West Blue. I just need a tiny bit of this. I don't want this to be too vibrant, so I just need a dash of color, and it's not even showing up in the scale. That's how little the color is that I want from this shampoo. Just a dash bit more. I'm going to mix this in. Yeah, I love this color, guys. It's absolutely gorgeous. So now that it's mixed in, it's starting to foam up because I'm stirring really vigorously. But when you're doing this, stir super slow. Don't be in a rush like me. So we're going to add our cool down phase ingredients. So we're going to be adding silk amino acid to this shampoo. And we are using this at 2%, so we need 0.3 grams. And then to that, we're going to add in our preservative, and we need 0.3 grams. So silk amino acid, 0.6 grams. Our preservative is 0.3 grams. And then we have We've already added our fragrance, preservative, and then, okay, last ingredients, we're going to be adding panthenol, just to give our hair a bit of nourishment. Panthenol at 2%, so we need 0.6 grams of this. There you have it. Your shampoo is ready for you to place in your sterilized container. Guys, I am so excited to use this, guys. And what the fragrance oil does is what it does thin out your shampoo a little bit, but this consistency is perfect. I love it. Okay, so let's place this in our jar. Okay, so it's really foamy at the moment. That's fine. It will definitely settle down and then you see the true color of the shampoo. Okay. So this is our shampoo and this is what it looks like, guys. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? I can't wait to show you guys the actual true color of this once all the bubbles have settled down, and I'm gonna really look forward to using this shampoo as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow us on all our socials, and I'll see you guys soon.